Hi, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to recover files deleted permanently from a flash drive. You might have at one point lost a very important file, be it an image, a PDF file, Word document, a video or an audio file, through either deleting or formatting the flash drive. This video is not about recovering a file from a recycle bin. We are going to recover a file which was permanently deleted from a USB drive. I have gathered different file types and put them in this folder inside this USB. So we are going to delete this folder with all the contents and see if we can be able to recover every detail of the files that is in this folder. Later on, we are going to format the flash and try to recover the files again, see whether we're going to get exactly the same results. So the application we're going to use is called EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, a technician version. And I'm going to put the link to its web page down in the description box as usual. So first, let's go ahead and see whether the files we have here are working files. We have, if I sort by type, you can see we have a PDF, we have softwares, we have an image here, several images. I think we have 3 images. We have an Excel file, we have a Word document, we have some audio files here, that's music, and then we have a video and a zipped folder. So if I play the video, it's definitely working. So if I open the PDF, it's working, so it's not corrupted. So the data should be recoverable to this original status. So let's go ahead and delete the folder. So we go ahead and hit on delete and click yes. So let's go to the recycle bin and make sure that we don't have anything. We are actually going to empty everything in that folder. So we highlight everything and then we delete. So by default we don't have anything in this USB drive, and in the recycle bin we have emptied everything, so we don't have any chance of maybe recovering it other than using now the software to recover the deleted files. So we're going to open our software, click on it, it will ask for admin privileges, click on yes, and it will load. So one thing you have to make sure while you're installing this application, install it in the folder or in the drive that you are not going to recover files from. So if, for example, I want to recover files from any other thing apart from C, then I will install it in local disk C. And now because I installed it in C, we are going to scan our flash drive, which is local disk G. Then we are good to go. So if you hover your mouse around the drives that you have, it will give you an option to scan. So that's what you are going to do, and we'll just hit on scan and just sit back and wait for it to do the magic. It might take a while depending on the size of the storage media that you're trying to recover files from. So you might as well sit down and relax and give it some time to do everything. So that's what I'm going to do until the scanning is complete. That's when we are going to come back. So I don't know whether I should speed up the video or, but anyway, let's just see what we can do. And again, I think I'm not going to upload this video if I'm not successful, because that will be a waste of your time. So I'll make sure that this is working before I upload. Okay. And I think we are done. So we are done scanning the files. So we are going to see whether there's anything interesting we are going to get. As you can see, we have our recovery folder and some other folders which I deleted, and I still have some other, because this is not an extremely new flash drive, so you might still get other files which were deleted a long time ago. They are all here. If I decide to categorize the files depending on maybe it's a picture, you can definitely see them, and you can actually preview before recovering. You have videos, and then you have documents, audio, and other files. We are interested in recovering our tests folder. We check on the folder, and then we hit on recover the files. Let me see if we can do this on the desktop. And we are done recovering, and actually it has opened the folder for us. So if we click on local D, deleted files, recovery, we have all the files. Let's see if any of them is corrupted. For example, we opened the first one. Let's see if it's opening very well, and let's play a video. Perfectly playing. An image, they are all perfect, nothing is corrupted, and we got them back exactly as they were in the original folder. So this time we are going to format the drive and then see whether you can be able to recover all the files back uncorrupted. So remember, we don't have anything. We recovered everything which was deleted from this USB drive to our desktop. Now we are going to format and click on format. We leave everything as S. We click on start and then hit on OK. Hit on close, and let's see whether our software will be able to recover the files. We open on our application again. If you double click on it, it will start scanning directly. So it might take a while, so I'll speed up the video so that you don't have to sit down and wait. We are interested in the results. So it looks like we are done, and these are the files that we are able to recover. So it looks like if we format the drive, we are likely to lose more data. It will become harder to recover most of the files directly. So these are some of the documents which I've lost throughout the lifetime of this USB up to this point. Now we are able to recover some of the files. Lost name file, it doesn't remember the actual original file name. And let's go to videos. Remember we had, I don't know how many, I think there were 2. So let's see if we can be able to recover all the videos, the documents, and all the others, and they amount to 1.42 GB. Let's see how long this will take. Boom, and we are done. So these are the files that you are able. This was the original one, the one that we recovered in our first attempt, and we can use that for references. So in our audio, I think we got all the files. There are 6 of them. Our documents, we might have so many of them. Some are personal documents. I don't want to open any of those. Let's check, for example, this one. Oh yeah, I am very sure you remember this one. So this, I decided to recover even the file name, but we had some other files we can't even remember. Okay, we are done with the documents. Let's go to others. For the others, I remember there was a time I used this USB drive to mount Windows. I think we even did that in our previous video. So these are some of the files that were recovered. Not a lot of them, but I think we have some of them. Okay, so for the pictures, I might have several. Yeah, I'm sure you remember this photo. This other one here, we have another photo. Damn, this one now. So we were able to recover all 3 of them. For the videos, we had 2. So this is the first one, and it's playing perfectly. I don't see any issue with the file. So this is the second video. I also don't see any problem with it. I might call this a mission success. So in the first instance, when you are recovering files which were deleted, we had a 100% success rate. When we formatted our drive, we had, let's say, a 90% success rate because we lost the folder name. Actually, we lost even the whole folder, and then we lost the file names. So that one will give us a headache when we are looking for specific files based on the name. That might take us a really long time, especially if we are dealing with a huge set of data. So to remind you, make sure that you install the application not in the drive that you're going to recover files from. In the future, maybe we might do a video on how many times can we format a drive such that we get to a point where we can't recover anything from it. So we are going to do that video in the future, but then let me know in the comment region if you're interested in such kind of a video. So thank you for watching the video up to the end. Like, subscribe if you've not, share the video to those who are interested in the content that you're making, and let's meet in the next tutorial. Peace.